Investigators remained at a family's property late into the night after a mother and her 3 children were hospitalized in what's being described as a near drowning.
And new at 10, we've obtained court records detailing some of the family's history. Investigators say they were called to the home in rural Liberty County by the children's father. And as ABC 13 Shannon Ryan reports, investigators say what they're dealing with is, quote, bizarre.
A captain with the sheriff's office tells us when that 911 call came in this morning, the father said he felt that his wife may have been, quote, trying to do something to their children. But tonight, law enforcement, they say they're not sure who's responsible. Neighbors like Jean Osh cannot make sense of it.
Oh, I'm very scared. Why children? Why do you do that to children?
Shortly before 6 o'clock Monday morning, the Liberty County Sheriff's Office tells us they were contacted by Osh's neighbor, who said his 3 children were in a pond on the family's Dayton property with his wife, who he felt was trying to, quote, do something to them.
He stated he heard some commotion in the front yard, possibly yelling from the kids.
Captain David Myers says when deputies arrived, it appeared as though the father had just pulled the kids out of the pond.
The kids were wet, the dad was wet, and the mother was still in the water. I would describe it as bizarre and breathtaking.
Myers said the mother and 11-year-old daughter were taken to the hospital in critical condition, while the 6-year-old son and 15-year-old daughter are alert and speaking.
She's been through a traumatic incident today involving her siblings and her parents, so she's resting.
Myers said the children and their mother will be interviewed when appropriate, adding that the department has already spoken with the father, who he describes as cooperative.
So right now, we don't have a specific focus on the mom or the dad.
Neighbors like Johnny Hurd say they seldom saw the family, and Myers says the children were not enrolled in school.
Kind of like I guess recluses.
Court records show a pattern of financial issues, including a recent lawsuit claiming the person listed as the property's owner, who ABC 13 is not naming as they're not currently facing any charges, failed to pay the contractor who worked on the home and is now seeking to put a lien on their sprawling more than 300-acre estate.
If all the evidence points towards mom, then we'll move in that direction. If it points towards dad or both, then we'll move in what direction that it leads.
Myers said the sheriff's office responded to what he believes may have been an assault here within the past few years, but he's not sure if it's connected to the family members involved in today's incident. Documents show the family built their home on this property in 2017. In Dayton, Shannon Ryan, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.